All right.
That's your favorite. Okay, good. Do film.
These are
Jeffrey?
KONE.
He likes to film elevators.
These are KONE elevators, yeah.
Oh, so we got the middle one.
Okay. Yeah, I remember these elevators even back from the 90s.
Oh, I don't remember that in the 80s.
Yep,
I don't
that
remember
was.
that since
Yep.
Christopher was
Yep,
born.
I was right. They're KONE. They're brand new.
Okay, we're going up to 5.
Six.
Six. Okay.
With traction, right?
That's nice.
And don't film her. She doesn't want to be filmed, Jeffrey.
Okay, just the elevator
There you go.
panel itself, okay?
Here's 6.
That was a fast one, yeah.
This used to be Dover, now modernized by KONE.
And to the right. Thank you.
These features are called Innovation Bruiser.
Wait in here and I'll give you your paperwork here. Have a seat and I'll come out and get you, okay?
Thank you.
All righty, you're welcome.
Okay, so could you finish up with the elevator there?
Yeah.
Okay?
Okay.
And I'll sit here with mine, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Go there, watch it close.
I did.
Oh, he said he did.
I'm gonna take a few pictures. Okay.
Okay.
Want to sit over here? Off to the side, I guess.
Oh, there's numbers of elevators.
Yeah. This thing opened this up.
You got it?
Oh my God.
Okay. Is that it?
Oh, there's another sieve
Mm-hmm.
set.
What?
There's another set of elevators.
Well, we're just gonna use these over here, okay?
Or we'll call it.
So we have to wait, okay?
Yeah.
Okay. You want to take pictures?
Yeah.
Can you, Jeffrey, take, oh, wait, when we can remember.
You can see way out there.
Way out there.
Okay?
Yeah.
You want to take a picture of it?
Look over there on the Mercy map.
Mm-hmm.
Look, and look, why are these over here?
Yeah.
Right in the middle.
Those are these elevators we're at, right?
Yeah. Those are the service elevators.
Look out here.
You can see a great view of the city of Lincoln.
Okay.
Okay?
All right.
All right.
That's it.
Or you will be caught.
Okay,
on-
go. We'll take a look at it.
Incidents.
I gotta say you or not, okay?
Okay.
Well, you got my purse and you put it over there, so I'm sitting with that was not comfortable.
Okay.
Okay.
We'll take a look at them.
Yeah. Oh my God. Those are the service elevators. Oh, they are Innovation Universal.
Yeah, I think Jeffrey did.
Okay. Go take a look at them and then come right back.
Oh, their features are called Innovation Universal. How many do the elevators have? 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. 19 elevators.
19 elevators.
Oh my God.
How do you know there's 19 elevators?
Yeah.
But his mind says
All right.
between a 13 and a 14.
We're back. Look at
10
these.
and a
Look at the
13-year-old.
cult panels,
So he's
kind of like
not-
an Innovation Bruiser.
He's
And
really
look,
intelligent.
Allison. That's the arena over there.
I know, yeah, it's a great view, isn't it?
And over there to your right, those are the grain elevators, because the grain elevators completely demolished the big one since the 1950s.
They're demolishing it very slowly.
And also the church over there to your right. Oh, listen
What's
that
the name
bell.
of the church? What's the name of the church by Jeffrey? What's the name of that white church?
He's not talking about, he's talking about,
The red one?
yeah.
Yeah, the other one, yeah.
I think it's the Lutheran church.
Here are your buttons.
Okay. Hit one?
Let's go to one.
One?
Yeah.
I went to Lincoln High
Door
School.
close
and you
works.
could
I like
hear
that.
The bells ring from the.
What year did you graduate?
It's a nice elevator, public elevators. These are your fixtures.
Because my oldest son graduated.
Innovation, brews your
He's
fixtures.
44.
There's your
Yeah,
80 compliant. Oh, actually, these are 3,500
I don't
pounds.
remember what year he graduated.
What's the
Christopher
name?
graduated, Alexander graduated.
What's the name of the
Ian
located
graduated,
we're in?
I graduated, my ex-husband graduated. So all
Here we
of
are
us
back down to one.
His name is Chris Schroeder.
No, his name is Christopher, and his last name is Jay, J-E-Y-S. And my daughter's name is Alexandra, Jay's.
And this is car number 10. There it goes. There's a green arrow, kind of like a KONE. It used to be Dover.
That's it.
And that's it.
First stop.
That's it for all the elevators in the Bryan West Campus Hospital Medical Center.
Okay, thank you.
Bye.
Bye. Okay.